Hello,
and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this video, we will learn to make advanced level decomposition tree visual in Power BI. We will make a decomposition tree looking like this in just few minutes. Let's look at our data first. Here we have date, country, city, product, sales, cost of product, and revenue. So let's start. Select and drag the decomposition tree icon from the visualization section. Expand the visual by dragging the edges of the visual. We want to make the visual to analyze the revenue data for various countries, so I will select and drag revenue to the Analyze By section. Next, I will select and drop country, city, and product one by one to explain by section. I will select sales and drop it into the tooltips. This will display the sales data in the visual. Now our decomposition tree is ready. You can click on the plus sign and expand the visual. This will drill down the data. You have the option to select the high value or low value. This will create a solid line for next value selected. You can repeat the steps to drill down till the product's classification. Now, we will format the decomposition tree visual we have created. Go to the tree settings and increase the density of the bar by selecting Space from the drop-down. We will color the selected line as red and unselected line as blue. By selecting bar, we will increase the size of the bar. Next, we will increase the font size of category labels and values, make them bold, and we will change the color to black. I will repeat the same steps for formatting the headers. You have an option to do conditional formatting as well. We will now change the color of the bars. To do that, go to the Format Your Visual section and select Bar, and then click on Colors. I will select green and red color for the bars. I will also make the bar background as light pink. Now we have our visual ready. You can click the bars and Power BI will filter accordingly. We are now almost ready with the visual. Let's also quickly add a title. Go to General Setting and type in the title, increase the font size, make it bold, and select the Center Align option. Then turn on Visual. We can also change the background by expanding Effects and turning on the background option. Here I will select yellow color and will adjust the transparency. To add border and shadow to the graph, turn on Visual Border and Shadow options in the Effects section. Now we have our awesome decomposition tree created. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and learn Power BI.